Greetings, salutations, it's me, James, your BA Sensei. Welcome back to another Power Query tutorial. Today what we're going to do is we're going to take a stacked data set like this, central bank rate data per country, and you can see it's stacked in groups of 4, and we're going to take this and we're going to unstack it into a normal table like this. Well, so let me show you how to do it. Alright, and as always, we take the data and we get it into Power Query by clicking your data set and going to data and saying from table or range. This pulls it into Power Query. So we want to take this data set, let's quickly rename it. You want to take this data set and we want to convert it into a list. We simply add another step, we say source, and in brackets we simply use the column name rate data, which is that first column name. And that converts it into a list object, and you can see it with that little icon over there. So as you can see, we have groupings of 4. So the country, the actual rate, the change in the rate and the date, and then the second row starts in groups of 4. The third row starts in groups of 4, and the fourth row starts in groups of 4. So we want to take this list and we want to split it into groups of 4. So what we do is we say list split, give it this input, and we say split it into groups of 4. If you click on that, now you can see we've created a list of lists with groups of 4. So basically, each row represents a list with the row data in it. Now what we want to do is let's add another step. We want to take this data, these lists of lists, and we want to convert that to record. So all we do is we say list transform, and we give it our list, which is custom 1, which is the previous step. And we say each, and we use the function record from list, because we have a list, we want to convert it from that list into a record. Underscore refers to each row in this list, each list within this list. And we say we want to give it the different column headings. So we're just going to put in there, first one is country, second one is the bank rate, and the third one is change, and the fourth one is the day. We close that bracket out, and now you have a record object for each row, which is exactly what we want. Now what we do is we just add another step. We say table from the records, and we simply give it our custom 2 as an input, and there you go. There's your table. Let's just convert date into the date column into date format, and there we go. And if we return that to if we return that to Excel, you can see we basically unstack our data set. Well, isn't that cool? I hope you learned something excellent here. We converted a stacked data set into an unstacked normal table data set. BA Sensei signing out.